Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to talk about the uh, vehicles in the inventory and what is the pros and what is the cons about it. So let's take a look at this one. I think, okay, so if you were to, I found these vehicles here. It's the same one, the Ultra Red 2024 model wide rear wheel drive. And as you can see, this one, it's off the back on the Tesla website stated that it qualified for the 7500. No need to worry. And the vehicle is a brand new vehicle. And as we can go down the features, it has ultra red paint, 19-inch gamma wheel, all the goodies, right? And the good thing about this is it says right here that it's available for pickup. So it's a brand new vehicle. It hasn't been registered to anybody. If you get excited, you want to buy it, here's the vehicle for you. So same thing would happen to me when I decided to buy my vehicle towards the end of December, where I wanted all the incentive. I bought the inventory vehicle. And if you ask me how did the experience go, it went really well. I bought it and it took me about 2 days from the time of the order placed and the time that I pick up the vehicle. And are there any imperfection to the vehicles? Yes, the misalignment of the like the trims over here, and like I think there's like the rattle in the dashboards. But other than that, it's fine. You know, I have no issues. The good part about buying this on the inventory, you get huge discount. So right now you can find some of the vehicles ranging anywhere from $3,000 all the way up to close to $7,000. All right, so that's a good thing. But then the bad thing is sometimes when you buy in the vehicle inventory, sometimes it might be like reject vehicles. People they look at it and they don't want it, or that kind of thing. Or maybe the configurations, it's already set. You're not getting the color you want. You're not getting the options that you requested. But other than that, I didn't have any issues. My brother-in-law, who placed the order on the Model X, and he bought it, through a website. He configured it, he custom ordered, and he got the vehicle. And on the other, and same, he went through a lot of imperfections too. So again, with Tesla, even if you buy it on the inventory, you still find any imperfections, anything that is not right, they give you 100 miles for you to make it, to put in a service request, and from there, they will make it right for you. They will fix it. They do all that for you. I think I did that. And also like the water condensations on one of the taillights, and they sent out a mobile tech, so which is really good. So yeah, so you get all the goodies from the Tesla, like the warranty, nothing changed. Everything's still the same. So if you're asking me, if you want discount, you like discount, then. And if you don't really care about the color, more about the savings, then you sometimes just go through the inventory. You will probably find the one that you like, and you can pick it up instantly. On the other hand, if you were to look for, want a custom order, yeah, you can do that as well too. So I can do a quick try right now to see it. You can add all the same everything right here, and it will tell you towards the end. And it does say it's right here that this vehicle, same, it qualifies for the 7500, and it also has, it gives you estimated delivery somewhere in February to March of 2024. And for the price range, it's going to be almost the same thing. You can show details here, and it's come out to, for example, this vehicle, brand new one, it will be $45,990. But if you get the one that I showed you, and we continue on, and then we'll go to details, you're going to end up with about $42,770. So you're saving about $3,000 right there. And everything's the same color, everything's the same. So once again, it is up to you. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys have any questions regarding about the inventory, brand new vehicle, or how to purchase, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you guys in the next video.